Creating a whiteboard video in Canva, a step-by-step guide. Are you looking to create engaging whiteboard animation videos? Well, look no further. Canva's intuitive tools and features make it easier than ever. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide to help you bring your whiteboard video to life. First, open Canva and select Create a Design. Then choose Video from the options available. To get started, select a whiteboard animation template that suits your video's style and tone. Alternatively, you can choose blank canvas to start fresh with a custom video size. Next, let's design your background. You can choose a solid color background that resembles a whiteboard, or explore subtle textured backgrounds for a more realistic feel. Additionally, you can use Canva's photo eraser tool to erase parts of an image, creating a drawn-on effect. Now it's time to add elements and animations. Start by adding visual elements to your whiteboard, such as shapes, illustrations, text, and hand-drawn elements. Canva offers a vast library of free and paid illustrations, so search for specific whiteboard illustrations or adjust the color and style of relevant illustrations to match your video. Once you've added your desired elements, use the Animations panel to bring them to life. Select an element and choose from various animation options like draw in, fade in, bounce, and more. Adjust the animation speed and timing to create a smooth and engaging flow. To enhance your whiteboard video, let's add audio and music. You can record a voiceover narration directly within Canva or upload an existing audio file. Additionally, you can include background music and sound effects from Canva's library or upload your own. Now it's time to preview and export your video. Click the play button to preview your video and make any final adjustments. Once you're satisfied, click the download button and choose your desired format, such as MP4. Remember, there are a few additional tips to keep in mind. Use transitions between scenes to create a smooth flow and maintain a consistent color palette for a cohesive visual style. Keep your video concise and focused on your key message. If you want access to more advanced features and animations, consider using Canva Pro. And don't forget to utilize Canva's tutorials and resources for whiteboard animation, inspiration, and tips. By following these steps and exploring Canva's creative tools, you'll be able to create a captivating whiteboard video that effectively communicates your message and engages your viewers. Thanks for watching the video, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.